Hello friend, next question is why database contention happens basically. So the main issue is that we can say that to maintain isolation lock it required multiple transactions are trying to change the same row of a data at the same time. This ensure correctness of consistent so that important of mission critical transaction workload. However, it can also lead to process delay of multiple transaction and try to use the same lock of a data. So this is happen in that database level contents. I mean the lock or blocking, so we can say that means when they are trying to access same data at the same time to modify or update or something like this transactional, so that will uh, increase the database contention, okay, or database contention happens on that point of time. Let's an example. Two transaction all acting on the same bank account and thus both are trying to update the same row of a database, like balance query balance deposit $5 $50 and update the balance, query balance withdrawal of $40 and update the balance. So these two transactions happen at the same time. If the both these transaction can at the same time that and the same at the same time, basically almost the same time, so uh, it will happen and it will cause that database contention basically. So it will we need to just check that or to avoid that we need to use that lock, or we have to just go for work on that isolation level, or we can say that yeah database isolation level we can. So thank you for watching.